Hello, beautiful spirits. Hope you're all doing well today. We are out here in gorgeous, deep nature, enjoying ourselves, enjoying life, saying hi to the sky, keeping our heads high, enjoying life. Come check out some roses here. Gorgeous pink roses. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the gorgeous flowers. Appreciate all the nature. Thank you all for joining me on Walking on Earth. Checking everything out. Enjoying this elegant piece of land that people own. I love you all. Thank you all for joining me. Always smile. Stay happy. You're all amazing. You're all gorgeous. Thank you all so much for everything you do for me and you do for everyone else around you. Love life. Enjoy life. Is precious for sure. Smile every day. Definitely practice happiness. Practice smiling. Practice being in your own power. Practice all the good things in life. Keep your head held high. You get to see a lot more things when you look up instead of down. And bless you all for joining me and being one with me and joining me in these gorgeous walks on earth. Bless you all. Blessed be. Thank you. Sending out much love, much peace into the world. And we'll see you all soon. I am totally sure of that. Blessed be. Thank you. Namaste.